Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. So today we are discuss about the topic that is cost accounting. Cost counting including all these are costs which are incurred from the start of production process to sale and distribution of goods. Cost including three elements. First one material, second one labor, third one overhead. Cost, meaning of cost is the amount of resource given up in exchange from the some goods and services. The resource giving up are money and money equipment expenses in monetary unit. Cost counting is concerned with the recording, classification and summarizing cost of determination of cost of production and service, planning, controlling, reducing, and such costs are furnishing of information of management for decision making. Cost counting in Indian context increase awareness of cost consumption by Indian industrialistic with a view and ascertain cost more accurately and each product or a job. Economic policy of government which led impression of the planning information with the new achieve to target lead to cost reduce the program of Indian industries. Definition of cost accounting. Cost accountancy as a application of costing and cost accounting principle, method and technique to the science, art and practice of the cost control and assessment, ascertainment of the probability. Scope of cost accounting. First one costing, second one cost accounting, third one cost control, technique, budgeting and cost audit. Costing, the technique and process of ascertaining and the cost. Cost accounting, the branch of accounting dealing with the classification, recording, allocation, summarization, reporting of current and prospective cost accounting. Cost control technique, the guidance of the regulation by the executive action of the operating and undertaking. Budgeting, an overall blueprint of the comprehensive plan of operation and action expressed in financial terms. Cost audit, the verification of the correctness of a cost accounting and the adherence of the cost accounting plan. Nature of cost accounting. First one, the part of general accounting. The cost accounting is the important part of general accounting. Second one, cost accounting in the branch of knowledge. Second one, cost accounting is art and science, and both. Cost accounting is both science as well as art. It is an art because it has certain objective, and to achieve those objective, accounting is done. It is treated as a science also because it owner rules, own rules on the basis of the which objective are achieved. Cost accounting is a profession. Determining of total cost. Next one, determining of total cost. Knowledge of the total cost is good after a production necessary to determine the selling price in it. And next one, cost of working in progress. It is a necessity to know the cost in work in progress in such work in continuing for the more than a year, such as a contract, etc. Relationship between the financial accounting and cost accounting. Point of similar. The fundamental principle to double entry system applicable in both of system of accounting. Second one, the invoice and voucher considered by the common basis of recording transaction under the both of system of accounting. And third one, the result of business are relevant of the both of the system of accounting. And last one, the costing of the four losses and wastage of a business are providing by the both these. Point of dissimilarity. Cost accounting is purpose is a internal reporting either to the management of every business, but management accounting is the purpose of external reporting mainly to owner, creditor and government. Second difference, providing the aggregate data from the formulating pricing policy, but management accounting failed to guide the formulation of pricing policy. Third one, furnishing cost accounting at the frequently in interval, and management accounting providing financially information once a year. And next one, help in evaluating of the efficiency of business, but management accounting no sufficient of evaluate the efficiency of the business. Next one, cost accounting is starting for the 14th century, but management accounting is the middle of 20th century. Objective to the ascertaining and cost control, but objective of management accounting to providing the useful information to management for decision making. Cost of accounting scope narrow, management accounting wide scope. Cost accounting need for both internal external parties, but management accounting need of only internal management. Cost accounting deal only with monetary transaction, but management accounting deal with the monetary and non-monetary transaction. Next, purpose of the objective of the cost counting: ascertaining of the cost, cost control, determination of selling price, frequent preparation of the account and other report to provide a basic operation. Cost counting is a specified branch of accounting which are the generally used by the manufacturing and service industry for calculating the total cost of production of goods and services. Also, he one cost per unit. Thank you.